Welcome back again to another video. So in today's tutorial I'm going to take you through the process of how I achieve this high puff ponytail. So just keep on watching till the end of the video, and I'm hoping that you're going to find this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Okay, so hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Gina Tungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. Now that you're here, please be sure to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and to your family, and I will truly appreciate all your support. So first things first, I'm going to start by braiding the base of our ponytail. Okay, but if you have long hair, then you don't have to go through all this process. So if you have way shorter hair than mine, or the same size, then you can do this process. Okay, lovey, so this braided ponytail will help us hold our extension, of which you guys are going to see. Okay, so just keep on watching, and just like I've mentioned, if you have way longer hair than mine, then you really don't have to go through all this process. Just like you've seen in the beginning of the video, I'm going to be using soft and free gel. So that is my go-to styling gel anytime I want to put my hair into like a high bun, high ponytail, and all that stuff. Okay, and I normally apply Bamsi wax, okay, just to give me that extra hold for my natural hair, because normally I'll not straighten my hair or use any heat anytime I want to apply some gel. Okay, but you can always use any styling gel of your choice. You really don't have to use this, just use what works for you. Okay, lovey, so I started by spraying my hair. That was just a mixture of water and leave-in treatment, just to soften the hair and to just damp the hair just a little bit. Okay, and I normally do that because I feel like it blends well with the gel. Okay, so that is just my preference, right? After I've applied the soft and free gel, I'll just go ahead and take my afro comb. Okay, and I'm going to comb the hair towards where I want my ponytail to be. Okay, so that is what I'm doing right now. And then after that, I'll take my Bristol brush and I'm going to use it to smoothen in the hair. Okay, so that we don't have so many flyaways going on. Okay, lovies, just like I've told you earlier, I normally apply wax. Okay, and for this I normally use Bamsi wax. Okay, it helps to hold the hair, and also you not have to experience or not have to have so many flyaways. So I normally apply wax after using the gel. Again, that is just my preference, but you can just choose to use styling gel without adding any wax, especially if your hair is blown out. Okay, and just like I've mentioned, I didn't get to blow dry my hair, and gel alone will not have my hair to like a slick down the way I'll want it to be, and that is why I'm using wax. But if your hair is blown out, then you don't have to use any wax because it will just blend in seamlessly. Okay, lovies, I am back, and this is how my hair is looking like 45 minutes later. Okay, so I just let it sit, but it's not like 100% dry, but this is what I'm going to work with. Okay guys, so I've had this extension for months now, and anytime I want to put my hair into like a high afro ponytail, then I'll use this extension. Okay, so if you want to know how to make such kind of extension, please let me know in the comment section. down below. So right about now, I'm just attaching it on to my natural hair band, just like you guys can see in the video. And then after that, I'll use some bobby pins, you know, 2 of them, to secure the ponytail so that it doesn't move and fall and stuff like that. Okay, so this was it for today's video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful to you. Okay, and that marks the end of our today's video. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for keeping me company. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye for now and take care.